Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I will be doing a trim on my hair. This right here is an old finger coil that I had in for about 4 days. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take this down and I will proceed and doing my hair washing. So I'm just going to take this down. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. So I'm going in with the Shea Moisture, the raw butter line, and I'll be using the shampoo as well as the conditioner to clean my hair today. So now I'm back and my hair is like squeaky clean. I just have it in this shirt right here just to suck up most of the moisture. So this is my hair all clean with no products in it, and as you can see it is still damp. So now I'm just going to section my hair into smaller sections. I'm adding the Cream of Nature argan oil, leave-in conditioner. I'm going to shake that up and add that to each section of my hair. While I am doing this also, I will be examining my hair. I'm going in with the Main Choice Growth Oil and I'll be using that along the strands of my hair as well. I'm also taking some and I'm rubbing that on my scalp and massaging that in. Today I will be going in with a fine tooth comb so that my hair can be thoroughly detangled. However, I do start from the ends and work my way up to the root to ensure that my hair is like super detangled. Then I go ahead and I braid my hair down halfway and then I twist the ends. So I braid my hair up so that my hair can be stretched. Because I do not want to add heat to my hair to do my trim, I am braiding my hair so that my hair can be stretched for when I am ready to cut the ends. Right here I'm just showing you guys like my problem area where in the front of my hair, like towards the side, my hairs are short at that section. So I really want to work on right there of my hair. As you can see, I'm doing a thumbs down. I don't like the way that looks, so I really want to work on getting that in line with the rest of my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process of adding my moisture to my hair and then braiding that up so that my hair can be stretched. As you guys can see, the part where I add in my twist towards the end of my braids, I do go in and add more oil to the ends just to ensure that it is super moisturized, and I detangled a little bit more and then I go ahead and twist that down. So that's what my hair is looking like so far. I will let my hair like dry overnight or for a couple of days, then I'll just go in and I will trim my hair up. So guys, this is like a couple of days later and look how frizzy my hair is. I do have that problem, and I did also add some hair ties to my hair just to like stretch it out some more. So I took those down and now I'm just taking down the braids so I can start my trimming process. So right here I just went in and I trimmed off probably about a 1/4 inch of hair, and I did this to each section of my hair. Then I went ahead and once I had all my braids out, I went in with like that brush there and I further detangled the hair in small sections, and then I trimmed off what I felt like I needed to trim off once more. So I did do 2 rounds of trimming because I felt like I needed that. I did not trim my hair in a while, probably like 1 whole year. So I felt like I had a lot to like take off really. So basically I just smoothed my hair down and then I just took it down towards the end and I went in with my scissors and I just clipped off what I felt was necessary. Right here was like kind of awkward holding that because it was in the back. I realized that holding my hair downward like that now, like it was easier to trim towards it. So in all, probably I took off probably like 1/2 inch of hair from the ends of my hair, and once I trimmed off a section, I went in and I add hair moisturizer to my hair, and then I seal that in and I twist it up and like put it like in a bantu knot. So again, I'm just showing you guys, I went in with my white tooth comb first, then I go in with my brush, then I go in with a fine tooth comb to further detangle and smooth my hair. Then I smooth my hands down the shaft of my hair and I go ahead and I trim the ends. Honestly guys, like while trimming, I noticed that I had a lot of tangles towards the end of my hair, even though I went in with all of these and I detangled. Like once I let my hair go, the end just started knotting up, and that's just normal for me. And if I did see like the hair was uneven and so on, I went ahead and clipped off the excess hair. Please ensure that you do use a sharp scissors to trim your hairs, because if you use like a dull scissors or a scissors that is damaged and has dents in it, you probably will be harming your hair more than ever. So please ensure to use a sharp scissors and just take your time and be careful not to cut yourself with your scissors while trimming your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I will be repeating this process like all over my head. As you guys can see, I do go in and I comb my hair a lot, and I examine my hair, and as I said before, I just trim off what I felt I needed to trim off. Probably to some persons I took off too much, but that was just what I felt like I needed to take off, so I just went in as much as I needed to trim my hair. As you guys can see, like the end of my hair is coiling up. That is what I want to see. I don't want to see no strings towards the end. I would really like the way that was looking. That meant that I took off all the dead ends of my hair. So yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like now with the pontoon knot. I'm just like putting all the excess oils that's on my hand through my scalp and massaging that in. So that's the end of this video, guys. That's the amount of hair that I had cut off. It's not a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.